Morning and afternoon, alarm goes off. To wake up, to get up, to take a shower, to have a shower, to take a bath, to have a bath, to brush your teeth, to shave, to wash your hair, to dry your hair, to iron, to dress, to wash your face, to comb your hair, to brush your hair, to make the bed, to have breakfast, to put on makeup, to pack your lunch, to leave the house, to go to work, to go to school, to drive, to catch the bus, to catch the train, to read a newspaper, to arrive early, to arrive on time, to arrive late, to be late, to have lunch, to check your emails, to take a break, evening, to finish work, to leave work, to work overtime, to arrive home, to cook dinner, to have dinner, to set the table, to clear the table, to wash dishes, to listen to the radio, to watch television, to drink tea, to drink coffee, to take out the trash, to put the children to bed, to go to bed, to set the alarm, to fall asleep, other activities, to do homework, to walk the dog, to buy groceries, to feed the dog, to feed the cat, to go out with friends, to go to the cafe, to call a friend, to call your family, to mow the lawn, to exercise, to play with your kids, to pay the bills, to take a nap, to wash the car, to play a musical instrument, to chat with friends, to chat online, to water the plants, to send a package, to send a parcel.